Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you DocuSign how to get certificate of completion. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To get a certificate of completion using the DocuSign, what you need to do first is head over and open up your DocuSign app. Once you're inside here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the Agreements tab on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on Manage, and then now here what you need to do is find and select the completed envelope, the one you want the certificate for. Then once you find it, tap on the document to open it. Now tap the More button, usually the three dots icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then from the menu, select View Certificate of Completion. Then the certificate of completion will show and you can download it to your device or email or share the certificate. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.